So I watched a video that popped up on the phone from Lanoguard regarding their Moto Electric Spray. Now it sounds like a really good idea. I'm all ready to try the Lanoguard Moto Electric Spray. So as I say, this is a protective barrier to the alloy components and all the electrics in the car. So I've set the nozzle to a fine mist. So I'm going to go ahead and just spray pretty much everything under the bonnet is the advice, avoiding the exhaust manifold. So I'm going to pay particular attention to the HT leads, trying to avoid the exhaust. So this seems to be very easy to apply. It's got creep properties apparently, so it will creep into the gaps. I'll avoid the belt. Luckily this car is not full of electrical components, so I know some more modern cars are going to have much more to spray inside them, but this one has not got an awful lot inside it. So in all honesty, that is probably me. So that took but a few seconds, but I'm really happy with that. It seems to have gone on very nice and clean. So the advice is to wipe off the excess, which I'll do now. You don't necessarily want to watch me do that.